Okay, fantastic. 1, 2, 3.
En plein milieu du désert, à Dubaï, je kiffe.
We are doing a dish of butternut, which is also from the Emirates Bio Farm. So we try to source everything locally.
The pastry chef's touch is Arabica reduction. So there's sweetness, there's sour, there's a little bit of spicy. So it's just one big flavor bomb.
Ah, ça c'est l'agneau cuit dans le sable sous terre ce soir pour Polynésiens inversés. We put on the grill all the lamb with pumpkin and vegetable, anything you want. Cooking 2 hours 30 minutes.
Here we have a crispy nori, salmon tartare with tobico.
Le dashi, c'est un soupe japonais avec des petits pois, les unagi et des pommes marinées, tsukiji.
Tonight, the Valrhona Food Forward Festival is the 7th moment of this festival.
We make the bet with 8 famous chefs to entertain you in the middle of the desert.
This is chawan mushi made with oysters. You just kind of release the sides with a spoon and then you eat it exactly like an oyster.
Tonight, we have one theme, one key theme about the gastronomy of tomorrow. It's Middle East rising. We're going to try to make you live something about the future, the tradition, this amazing diversity, cosmopolitan experience that we can live when we go here in Middle East and Africa.
Without you, there is no L'École Valrhona, so all of you are part of this very beautiful story.
I am happy to share the next 100 years with you and enjoy the night. Thank you, everyone.